Namaskaram. I hope you all had good lunch and energetic to be part of this event. On behalf of Classical Art Society, I welcome you to this event. This is a quiz event. Following this event is a thematic program which is Bhagavad Gita, like Gita and Bhagavad Gita, and of course Tyagaraja Swami has a majority of his compositions are on Lord Rama, and Bhagavad Gita, like many of his songs has themes that relate to it. So as a prelude to that event, some of the questions are related to Gita. Rajeshwari Madam made sure that question is not too difficult, at the same time not too easy. So I'll explain how this is structured, so you know like the rules of the game. We have about 8 categories, not sure if we'll be able to complete all 8 categories. Every category has 6 questions. So we have 6 teams here. We have Shadjam team, Rishabham team, Gandharam team on this side, and then we have Madhyamam, Panchamam and Daivatam on this side. So each team will get a question from every category. So we cover the first category, we go through like every team, and then there are also questions designated for the audience. So because many quiz events, audience get excited, so there will be questions for the audience also. The rest of the audience will be one large group. So how it goes is the first question will be like Shadjam. If they are not able to answer, it will be passed to Rishabham, then to Gandharam, like that. We'll do round robin. If no one is able to answer, then it will go to audience. Then the same category, second question like to Rishabham. Once their turn finishes, like the round robin is complete, then we go to the same category, question to third team. All clear on the rules? Okay.
Timing.
Timing, I really request judges to keep track, or mommy or someone else, and what do you think is the right amount of time for every question? 5 seconds? 10 seconds? Okay, 15. Okay, we'll settle down on 15. I hear 20. Some are okay with 10 or asking for more, so we'll settle on 15. 15 seconds. We also have someone like showing or regulating the slideshow here. Do not move on to the answer page till I ask you to move on to the answer page. Okay?
One more point. Out of turn answer will be given minus points.
No minus points here, you only get bonus points. If you're not able to like answer your group question, you just miss the chance. It will go to the next group. And even if you miss the chance, then the next team answers, it still carries the same point value. So every question is 10 points. Yes. So moving on, we have these categories. We go to Saint Tyagaraja. Presenter, can we move on to the next slide, please? Next slide. Okay, question to Shadjam team. What is Shiva's bow name? Pinaka. Pinaka is the right answer. Yeah, very good, Abhinav. So moving on to the next one, to Rishabham P. What is Lord Narayana's Bo's name? Time's up? Still there. Okay. Gandhara gets the question. What is Lord Narayana's Bo's name? We thought the first one was harder, the second one is easier, but little surprising to see second one is harder and first one is easier. Okay. To team number 4.
The name of the bow is a Sharanga bow.
That's the right answer. That's Madhyama, yes. Question number 3 to team 3, Gandhara. What is Arjuna's bow's name? Say it out loud. That is right, Gandiva. You know, watch Vijay TV Mahabharata, they play the background song like BGM for every actor, right? Gandiva is the name. Question number 4 to team Madhyama. What is Karna's bow name?
Vijaya bow.
Vijaya, that is right. Vijaya is the right answer. Move on to question number 5, please. We have a little text below. If you are interested, actually we wanted to make this be really about to Saint Tyagaraja, all questions on bow names. So Mahabharata does have those details. Nakulas, Sahadevas, Yudhishthira, Bhishma, even their descendants, right? Ghatotkacha, but some of those names are may not be familiar for everybody. So what we decided to do is, we still picked characters from Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, and related topics. Like for example, Lord Srinivasa's Nitya Suri, like every day his ornaments, right? What he wears every day. So that's the note which is below. But if you're interested, you can go search up, read Mahabharata, or like Google to find out Nakula, Sahadeva, Yudhishthira, like what's their bow name. So what is Lord Narayana's chakra name? This is to team number 4. Yeah, go ahead, Sanjay.
Sudarshana Chakra.
Yeah, Sudarshana Chakra is the right answer. Moving on to question number 6. What is Lord Narayana's conch's name? Mani, team Yeah, that's the right answer. Panchajanya. Move on to the next question. This is for the audience. What is Lord Narayana's sword's name? Chalo.
Nandaki.
Nandaki, yes. Yes, the audience, yeah. Keep a separate track for audience. Another one for the audience. Lord Narayana's mace. Gadaiyodu peru. Nisha, neengallam mudiyadhu. Yeah, go ahead, Nisha. Yeah, Kaumodiki. Okay, so we have moved on to, don't show the answer yet. So we have moved on to category number 2. Before that, we'd like to hear from the judges where we stand in terms of scores.
Shacham is at 1 and Gandhara is at 1, Madhyama is at 2, Panchama is at 1 and Daivata is at 1. the Madhyama is the one who's leading at this point of time.
And audience have scored 2.
Oh wow, okay. And audience won't get any prizes because we have more than one question for the audience, and so category 2 Bhagavad Gita, and first question to Team Shadja. Who are the main speakers in the Bhagavad Gita? Main speakers. That is right, Krishna and Arjuna. A dialogue between them.
So, if like Daivata gets wrong, there's no way Shadja can get in question.
If Daivata cannot answer, it will come to Shadja. It's like a round table. Okay? But fair question, yeah. Game will be conducted fairly. Question number 2. Where does Team Rishabha, where does Bhagavad Gita take place? Children. Kurukshetra, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Yeah, Rishabha answered it right, yes. Question number 3 to Team 3 Gandhara. How many chapters are in the Bhagavad Gita? 18, yes. Question number 4 to Madhyama team. Bhagavad Gita is a part of which epic story? Mahabharata. Yeah, that is right. Question number 5 to the Panchama team. Who narrates the Gita to Dhritarashtra? Yes. Sanjay answered Sanjaya. That is the right answer. Question number 6 to Daivata team. What is Krishna's role in the war? That is right. Did she flip through the chart already? Like, did she move on to the answer already? Because the words matched exactly like what's on there. Oh, okay. So, category 2, all are even and Madhyama still leading. So, I'll move on to the next category. In fact, before that, we have audience question. How many shloka verses are in the Bhagavad Gita? 720. That is right. Okay. Another question to audience. Bhagavad Gita prescribes which yoga? Pick one from the following. Go ahead. Correct all of them, but one. That is right. Karma yoga. And then category 3, fun category. Raga Meet Mela.
Can I just add a few words before that?
Okay, yeah, please.
So yeah, the Gita itself, the 18 chapters has been divided into 3 like shatkams, we say. So in the Gita itself, so there are like the first 6 chapters are generally a karma yoga, and then the next 6 chapters is the dhyana yoga, and then comes the gnana yoga. So that's why today's theme is Gita Sangita, because all the composers, there are many composers, whatever the songs which these youngsters learn, it's all again the reflections which we see from our Vedas, Upanishads and Bhagavad Gita. So today's main focus is Bhagavad Gita. So it's so nicely, even the 18 chapters are led for the like a human manual, because first we have to do our duty, that is the karma yoga. Then comes the dhyana yoga, wherein we have to keep steady our mind. That's why it is dhyana yoga. Once karma yoga and dhyana yoga aligns, and then we listen to the gnana. Then the gnana is imparted by the Krishna. So it's a very nicely depicted 18 chapters, which has been a guide for human life.
The first 2 categories, majority of it was put together by Didyaji. So moving on to the next category, Raga Meet Mela. You will see a picture. From the picture, you'll have to find out the name of the raga. Again, it's not too difficult. We have not kept it like we try to convey the or what the name எந்த பேரையும் சொல்ல முடியாது எல்லாத்தையும் போட்டுருவோம் so it's really difficult to kind of like I wanted to give an example but anything that comes to my mind like it's all there. So from the picture you'll have to answer again to Shadja. Sure. And 12 centimeter not relevant. That is right. So the right answer Chamaram. The puja la Chamaram Vijayami pannome. So Channu Priya. So Diksh. Question number 2 to Rishabhati. இல்ல that is right நீதிமதி நீதிமதி oh thank you mommy thank you so Rishabha answered it right needimati. Question number 3 kind of relatively easy yeah go ahead yeah Simhendra Madhyamam. Question number 4 to Madhyamati. Go ahead. Darbar, that is right. Darbar is the right answer. Yes. So, question number 5 to Panchamati.
Neelambari.
No, not Neelambari.
Chandrajyoti.
No. We learned a composition for Guru. Yeah, Purna Chandrika. Yes. Yeah, they got it. Yes. Next one to Daivatati. Chandra Jyoti, yes, Chandra Jyoti. This is for the audience. Question number 7. Shankarabharanam, yes. Next one also for the audience. Someone said it. Yeah, Brindavana Saranga, yes. So, if audience, again teams, be alert. If audience didn't answer first, one of the teams get it right, you get extra points. No, audience got it.
What is it?
Brindavanam, and if I just put a bow, then people may say you talked about so many bows, which bow it is, right? So I put Vishnu and Saranga. So it is Vishnu's bow, so Saranga. Again for the audience, there are 2 images here, one at the top, one at the bottom, and the bottom one. Yeah, that is right. Darbari Kannada. Okay, moving on to the next round. Okay, before that, I would like to hear from the judges. Score, please.
So at the end of the round 3, the Shadjam is at 3 points, Rishabha is at 2, Gandhara is at 3, Madhyama is at 4, Panchama is at 3, and Daivata is at 3. So Madhyama is leading.
Okay. Okay, moving on to the next category. Category
Audience
number
have
4.
6 points.
Audience 6 points. But also unfair to the audience, you get more than one question from every category. So, but this is where participants be alert, and if audience don't, general audience don't get it, if one of you get it, you get extra points. So those are bonus questions. Anyone can answer. So, Next category, hide and seek. Question to Shadja. Find the missing swaram to complete Bhupada. அதுக்கு நிக்நேம் சொல்ல முடியாது. சுத்த தைவதம், yes. Shuddha Daivatam is the right answer. I think we made it a little easy here, so but still let's go ahead. To team 2 Rishabha, find the missing swaram to complete Gambhira Natak. That is right. Kakali Nishada. Question number 3 to Gandhara. Okay, go ahead, Jana. Kakali Nishada. Yes. Question number 4 to Madhyama team. Find the missing swaram to complete our. What the where are they?
No, Pratima.
Shuddha Madhyama, yes. சரி இன்னொரு ஒரு ட்விஸ்ட் அப்போ பிரதிமத்தியமும் போட்டா அது எதோட ஜன்யம்?
Oh, wait, we're this part of this.
If we do Pratimadhyama, it's a janya. You don't need to name the raga, but it's a janya of which raga?
Like 36 and like.
Kararpriya.
What?
If you do, someone said first Pratimadhyama, right? If you do it, it's a janya of which raga? Hemavati, yes. Okay, move on to question number 5, please. Okay, complete Shuddha Danyasi.
Kaishiki Nishadam.
Yeah, Kaishik Nishada. That's right, yes, Kaishik Nishada, yes. Move on to question number 6. Find the missing swaram to complete Valachi. Time's up. இல்ல டைம் முடிஞ்சு போயிடுது. That is right, Kaishik Nishada, yes. Okay. For the audience, find the missing swaram to complete Vasanti. Yeah, anyone can.
Shuddha Daivatam.
Shuddha Daivatam, that is right, yes. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, Panchamati. Yeah, they get a point. One popular kriti that we learnt, Madam taught. We did a workshop or Kapalishwaram. Oh, she already moved on to the next. Yeah. So find the missing swaram to complete Reva Bhakti.
Mati. Antaragam.
Okay, that is right. Antaragantaram to Madhyamati.
We literally said it like
Okay, move on to the next question, please. Find the missing swaram to complete Shivaranjani.
Shashwati Rishabham.
Okay, this will give it to the audience. We'll just consider them, and because two teams are saying like I said it was, it's a tie. Okay, I think we have one more. Yeah, give it to the audience. Yeah. The previous one, Shivaranjani. Yes. Yes.
Kaishiki Nishadam. No, you said Shashwati. I said Kaishiki.
You will have to decide amongst yourself who said it right first. Okay, this also to the audience. Yeah, we'll have to move on. Yeah. Okay, we'll move on to the next category. Okay, maybe we'll see scores.
This round, maybe they are doing very good. So I think all credits to the music teachers.
Thanks to to the music teachers, to Rajeshwari madam.
So Shadja, you are at 5. And there is a tie in fact between Shadjam and the Panchamam. Both the Prakriti are the tie. Then so the Shadjam is at 5, Rishabha is at 3, Gandhara is at 4, Madhyama is leading, they are at 6, and Panchama is at 5, and Daivata is at 3.
கொஞ்சம் faster.
கொஞ்சம் faster, yeah. To complete all categories, we'll have to go a little faster because some of the later categories are fun ones. Pick the right composer mudra starting from Shadja, question number 1. Composer mudra for Papanasham Shiva. Yeah, apologies, like the slide is not showing the full text. Ramadasa, yes. Question number 2, pick the right composer mudra, Kotishwarayya to Rishabha. You'll have to say it quick. Kavi Kunjaradasa. Question number 3 to Gandhara team, pick the right composer mudra, Veena Muppaiah. Yes, that is right. Sorry, I said it wrong. So, many of Tyagaraja's disciples have that. I'll give you a different question, okay? Remind me, and the audience question will come to you, okay? Because now they said it wrong, and we also flashed the answer. Yeah, they don't give it. If you want to say there is one more mudra which is not there, but to keep, so he uses 2 mudras, or yeah, in fact, yeah, what's the other mudra? Bhargavi, go back to question number 3, please. So we flashed the right answer, and what you said is wrong. Venkatesha is wrong. We also flashed the right answer, but he uses one more mudra. There is also, I think, a famous kriti that Tyagaraja sang in praise of that God when he visited this disciple's home. Okay, I'll still give you one more question at the end, okay? Gopaladasa, either Venugopaladasa or Gopaladasa. Okay, pick the right composer mudra, Kanakadasa to Madhyamati.
The Kaginile.
Yeah, that is right. Kaginile Adikeshava. Yeah, they got it. Rapid, yeah, we'll have to do rapid fire just in the interest of time. To team 5, Panchama, pick the right composer mudra, Patnam Subramanya Iyer.
Garbhapuri, Venkatesha.
ஒரு தடவை சான்ஸ் முடிஞ்சிட்டு.
Yeah, oh wait.
Okay. Say, okay, we will give it to them. Yes. To the Panchama. Yes. Question number 6. This is an easy one. Pick the right composer mudra for Padmanabha. Yes. Move on to the next one. Bhargavi, don't go to the answer yet. This is to Gandhara team because, sorry, I made a mistake. Pick the right composer mudra for Anayya. Anayya. They brothers actually பேர் ஒன்று போல இருக்கும். ஒரு பாட்டு ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸான கீர்த்தனை. தன்யாசி ஒரு கீர்த்தனை. பருவம் பார்த்த நியாயமா. Okay, I would say I'll give you another one because this is very difficult.
Is it
Uma Dasa is the right, yeah, to Madhyamati, yes. One more actually to Gandhara team, pick the right composer mudra, Ramaswamy Dikshithar.
Kumati is ordered, right?
Now we finished the entire category and the reason why they are getting it is they said the wrong answer, but I said it is right and then we ended up flashing it on the screen. So we have to give them like fair chance, right? So they are getting one more. Yeah, we asked them like at the end, they got a question and Anaya, but it is still a kind of like a difficult question, so they're getting one more. Ramaswamy Dikshithar, Mudra.
Venkata Krishna.
Venkata Krishna is the right answer, so we'll have to move, okay? That is to team number 5, Panchama. One more question, pick the right composer Mudra, Karur Devud Iyer. ಯಾರೋ ಒರ್ತಾರೆ ಮೊದಲ ತಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೊನ್ನ வேற ಎದಕ್ಕೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾ ಅಗೇನ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಟು ಪಂಚಮ ಪಂಚಮ one more question, pick the right composer Mudra, Ramaswamy Shivan. Yeah, to Shadja. That is to Shadja. Okay, move on to the next question. You will have to name the meet the masters. You will have to name the personality to Shadja. Quick, we will have to do wrong. To Rishabha. Huh? Say it out loud. TN Krishnan sollila illa TN Krishnan illa to Gandhara to Madhyama team number 4 to Madhyama
Mysore something.
அப்படி சம்திங்லாம் சொல்ல முடியாது. Okay, we'll have to move on next.
Mysore Basudeva.
To Panchama team. To Daivata.
Mysore Chaudhaya.
Chaudhaya, yes. To Rishabha team, meet the masters. Yeah, this is male. We have a next category female. We also learned the Kriti that we composed and Guru Samarpanam panna a few years munadi. Okay, we have to move Gandhara team. Yes. Yeah, yes Kalyanaraman, Tanjavur S. Kalyanaraman, yes. To Gandhara team. Next one, only one question, yeah. To Gandhara team, this question, you'll have to name the personality. Madam, நிறைய சொல்லுவா இதுல பத்தி. Okay, we'll have to move on to Madhyama team.
We'll have to pass.
To Panchama team. இப்பதானே முடிஞ்சது. Mami. Yeah. Rishabha, you started this question, no? Gandhara started? Yeah. Then your turn. No.
Can you just do baby now?
No. Yeah. Audience? SRJ. Professor SRJ. SR Janakiraman. Yes. Okay. This question. Yeah. This meet the master. Next question to Madhyama team. Mami, if it comes to you, it will move because he's your. I'll leave it for now and then later I'll announce. This is for the Madhyama team.
Oh, pass.
Panchama team. To Daivata team, yes. Yeah, TRS Mama is Mami's own maternal uncle. So,
What? They are going into the relationship now.
this one too, with fourth question, yeah, to Panchama team, right? Yes. Meet the master, yes.
இப்ப நாங்கடா
இல்ல பஞ்சமாட்டி. Mami.
DK Govindra.
Yeah, PK Govindarav sir. Yeah. To Daivatati. That's not very good. To Daivatati now. To Daivatati. Move on to the next question, Bagli. To Rishabhati. Correct, yeah, Ramnath Krishnan. To Gandharati, yes. Next question, please. Yeah, this one is little difficult for the audience, but again, the part. No. He is not any of the or. Illa. Maybe I will give a clue. He is related to Madhramani Iyer, sir.
Mysore Asurya.
No. Ama.
Can you just tell us on?
Raja Pushpavanam. Yeah, madam did say that this is a difficult one, and so nobody gets this. Next one.
Audience போறீங்க.
Audience போச்சுது இது இல்ல, but நம்ம we have to move on. So this one, yeah, name the personality. Audience round. Okay, we'll move on. Chittur Subramanya Pillai. Next one, yeah, this is relatively easy. Yes, Madurai Somu, yes. Audience. Okay, next category, face the fame, female composers. Not all female artists, only composers. To Shadjati. Okay, we'll have to move on. Rishabhati, chalo. Yeah, Bangalore, Nagaratnam, to Shadjati. To Rishabhati. Move. Next question, please.
அசோக் மண்டல மதனியா.
Yeah, அப்படிலாம் ப்ளூ சொல்ல முடியாது. Yeah, that is right. Now we have to give it to Gandharati, third, yeah. No, they said something else and then she said it already. Yeah. So to Gandharati. அதான் க்ளூ சொன்னதுனால. To Gandharati. Question number 3 to Gandharati. Yes, Srimati Ambujam Krishna. To Madhyamati. இங்க பாதி டீமை காணோம்.
We'll have to pass.
Okay. To team number 5. Clue, okay? No, okay, Mami. Yeah, Suguna Purushottam to Daivatambi. Yeah. This is to Panchamati. Okay, we did a project. One of our family members, there are many compositions that have been popularized by TRS Mama. And Madam hooked us up with a person, her relative. She brought out many books, but they only had audio recordings. So a few of us meaning I'm not there, I don't know, and a few of us listened to, some of the children, they listened to the recording, they converted that to musical notations and the book came out. In that she recognized, she had not given the names of the children, but she recognized that Houston, like many children from Houston, contributed to bringing the book out, but named the artist. This to Panchamati.
Kalyani Varadarajan.
Yes, Daivata team, Kalyani Varadarajan. Her daughter-in-law Saroja Raman, she brought out a book, and many like of madam students we volunteered like to convert audio notations to musical notations. Book has been released already. I think a year ago. Yeah. So.
Rajan said she will give me a special prize.
Okay.
No, that's not okay.
That is not okay? Okay, then we'll skip this. This is for the audience. Ganda, yeah. Daivata team will get the next question. Audience don't answer, it's Daivata team. Next question please. Yeah, this one. I know you were joking, so it's okay. We'll have to move on. D. Pattammal.
Wait, I have a question.
Okay.
What's the difference between Deepattammal and Rajatree?
They are two different people. They are not the same. They don't. Yeah, they missed it. Yes. This one. Andavan Pichai. Yes. The audience, they got it. Yeah, Andavan Pichai. Next, this is the last one. It's kind of relatively hard. So all the answers are. Don't go to the next slide yet. All the answers are in next slide, but you'll have to pay attention. Basically, the lineage of Tyagaraja Swami disciples, it will be displayed on screen, and for a few seconds, you'll have to observe carefully, try to remember as much as possible, and then the next set of questions are all based on lineage, Guru Parampara, who's Guru, who's Shishya, like that. Yeah, try to remember as much as possible. Like, do a team effort. Yeah, move on to the next slide, please. Yeah, apologies for the bad indentation. So I'll read out from here. The way it is intended is Manamuchapudi Venkata Subbaiah, his disciple Patnam Subramanya Iyer, then Mahavaidyanath Sishivan, Sharava Shastri, Fiddle Venkoba. That's how like the disciples are. You see, like they're all in the same line. And then Patnam Subramanya Iyer had Ramanathapuram Srinivasa Iyengar. He had Ariyakudi as his disciple. Patnam Subramanya Iyer also had Mysore Vasudevacharya, Tiger Varadacharya. Yeah, that's all. Again, apologies for the bad indentation, and slide didn't come out like very good here. Being on my screen, it is okay. Okay to move on? We'll still give it a try.
I think it is a very difficult.
We think it is difficult for the kids. Okay, then we'll conclude here. And it's also like allotted time is over. We'll conclude here. We'll give it to judges.
So it was a very wonderful quiz, so we thought who is going to be, but everybody kind of did wonderful. So Shadjan came at 8, Rishabha was at 4, Gandhara is at 8, Madhyama is at 8, Panchma is at 8, and Daivata is at 9. So the winners for today's quiz is Daivata. And audience are at 12. Thank you all. It was wonderful. Very creatively done.
Thank you so much, Umaji, Divya Ramesh and Girija. Divya Ramesh sent a lot of Bhagavad Gita questions and all other we prepared. Yesterday only I told Uma, she helped me a lot. Last minute, thank you so much Uma for your help.
Umaji, we would like to felicitate Umaji and Divyaji. It was very uniquely done. Please.
So I heard from Rajeshwari Madam that there's a lot of effort that has gone into preparing the quiz and making it interesting for all of us. Thank you first, Madam, and to Uma Gomati and Divya Rameshji for coming and doing this for all our students. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for hosting the show and for helping us. I'd also like to